What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hoodie, and we're going to be talking about my exhaust setup today. Alright guys, so we're in my 2018 Subaru BRZ, and this is my sister V. Welcome her to the channel.
I look so bad today.
So we're going to be talking about my exhaust setup. So I've got this car the beginning of this year.
Was it really?
Yeah, crazy, right?
Oh, wow.
So I got this car at the beginning of the year. I didn't really think I was going to finish my whole exhaust system this year. I was like too busy with school and work, but I was like, F it, I need a louder car, so I did my whole exhaust system. I got an Invidia N1 Catback exhaust. I got Invidia front pipe Catless and Tomei unequal length headers Catless as well. So my exhaust setup is pretty loud. For me, it's not that loud, but for my sister, she says it's pretty loud. So we're gonna go to a undisclosed area and show y'all. Alright, so guys, this is going to be revving in Mexico. Invidia N1 exhaust, Invidia front pipe, Catless, Tomei unequal length headers, Catless. Let's get it.
Goodness. Okay. It's still rolling.
Alright.
Alright, go for it. Alright, so V just recorded me from the outside, so how loud was it from the outside? Oh, it was loud. Especially like when you drove by and it started popping, like it kind of scared me.
Alright, so for the popping, it doesn't come with, when you install the exhaust, you have to tune the car, so I have an OFT tune. So what you do is you plug it in, you change the numbers, and you're able to make it pop. So if you guys want me to make a video on that, just leave it in the comment below. But besides that, it's pretty much the exhaust system with revs and drive-bys.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. But besides that, catch you guys in my next video. Oh, you want me to do the thing?
Yeah.